Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new over here, welcome. My name is Anna and I have shared videos about the fashion, about the style for more everyday, and from time to time I doing a review on my luxury items. So if that is something you are interested, stick around. Hit subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. I do want to say thank you to my current subscribers and thank you for staying with me. So let's get jump today in the review about the Louis Vuitton Speedy Soft Crafted 30. This bag is gorgeous. I really love this edition. I know that the Speedy bag is iconic bag. It has been since 90 plus years, since Audrey Hepburn in 1960 made a special request to Louis Vuitton to redesign the Speedy 30 for size 25, and her request resulting in exclusive creation of Speedy 25 at that time. But let me honest, every year Louis Vuitton come with many different models, many different sizes of Speedy. We have 18, we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. If you want a size, trust me, you will have it. Let's to unbox this box. I went to the Harrods. I don't wanna carry this bag with me, so I asked for the home delivery, that the courier was delivered to my home. And this is the packing. We have like dusty bag. This is the bag that I see. This is the Speedy 30. I thought that it's going to be much more bigger when I've seen it on the photo, but I think this size is like for your daily using bag, at least for me. So it's very unique. So it's Speedy 30 is very beautiful in the coated monogram canvas, and it's like made of one sheet of this canvas. You will see that the logo the Louis Vuitton this up, but when you turn it, is going like upside down. That is about the made of the one sheet of canvas. But before I made this my final decision why I bought this 30, I went over the weekend to Harrods, and I will paste the short video, and I tried the Speedy 25 because I was first thinking about the purchasing the Speedy Bondurier 25, but after try this Speedy Soft 30, I really love the strap, and at this moment I decided I'm not really the Speedy 25, like my opinion is much more crossbody bag. Let's go around the back and do a 360, and I will come with some details about this bag. The dimension of this bag is 30 length, 21 high, 70 centimeters is width of this bag. It's designed to make everyday bag, whether you are travel or just use as a city bag. It's made of ultra soft monogram coated canvas. It has a gold tone hardware. Inside they have the lining made of leather. Obviously it comes in the interior one pocket, but outside it comes with this beautiful charm bag. And this one that I really love it is like a beautiful boarding pass, and it's even made with this little strap with the logo of Louis Vuitton, and has attached the key for the padlock with the nice red cover, and made of the gold color trunk charm. That is outside. I'll tell you a little more how it looks inside this bag. The interior is made of this beautiful vibrant red color. It's made of leather. It is beautiful, and it's inside the pocket. It's the pocket with the zip. When you open it, inside of this pocket is red vibrant leather as well. It's so beautiful. I really like the red color on it. It was always my dream to have interior of the bag in color red, and this is the first one that I have it. And on the outside they have two zip that for your safety, when you put this this padlock together and new clothing, and it's very safe for you, and it's really beautiful. I really love this bag. It's too nice structure handle, and with much more rounded thicker leather. What else? I want to say something more about this strap. It's length 24 inches. It's made of the leather, much more rounded, very good structure and very stable. Like, it's not too structured. I don't like it when it's really structured the bag that your hand is like over, and it's not really saggy. I love this one. It comes with the new Teron shoulder strap. It's thick leather, almost like you have a handle, but longer and roll. And like I said, this handle is something unique. I really love the structure, the much more soft canvas of this Speedy. I hope you enjoyed this video about this beautiful Louis Vuitton Speedy Soft Crafted 30. And if you really like it, can you leave me a thumbs up? This is really make me happy because I know that you like my video. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you for staying with me, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye.